Hey, what's up guys? I'm back at this little skate park kind of near my house, but I don't really know what my goal is today. I think I'm gonna try and hit this flat bar real quick. I think I'm gonna try to get my board size better because I usually just like do like the last like 10 inches of it. It's not really like that long of a board side, so I really want to like try and at least get from the middle to the end today because I really want to get my grinds and board sides better. But first I'm gonna warm up, do some ollies, some shove-its, and then 180s. I need to get those better, and then I'll practice some kick flips and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna get to it. Oh, I always have trouble with my backside 180s. The one where you turn forward and you end up blind. I need help with that. But let's go ahead and try to do some board slides. Okay, so I've been having like PTSD or something with ramps, even these small little rolling ones, ever since I broke my leg on a ramp. So I eventually want to get over the fear and just roll down that at least, and then slowly start to learn how to drop in, because I've never dropped into a ramp before. The first time I did, broke my leg. I think my second goal for today at least is just roll around and get more comfortable on my board again, since it's been a while. And I want to ollie up on that small little ledge over there, because I haven't like ollied onto something in a while, so let's try that. It's so funny how like when you haven't skated in a while, something that's like barely to like the top of my shin just seems so high, and then when I do it and ollie it finally, it's like half the power of like an actual like high ollie. It's like that's like a baby ollie. But I'm gonna go ahead and just like roll around and get used to the feel of this park. Eventually that ramp, this ramp, and that little down rail, I know it's like barely down, but those are my goals. So yeah. All right, so I had a pretty successful day. Board slid that flat rail. I board slid that round rail. I've never done a round rail over there before. I ollied on and off of that. I didn't get the ollie off recorded, but I still haven't rolled down that. I literally rode as fast as I could and rolled up it to make me feel better. And just standing up there is just still so scary. I think I literally have PTSD from when I broke my leg. So I can roll down that. Now I need something that's like halfway between that and that to make me feel better about that one. So I might need to go to another park a different day to just find a smaller bank to roll down before I do this like hip height one. It's not even that tall, it's literally just my hips, but for some reason when you're standing up there it looks so tall and scary. So, and I'm by myself. If my wife was here, maybe I would grow the courage to do it, so that way if I did slam she could help me, but I'm by myself, so I figured if I didn't feel confident I shouldn't go for it. So I already did a lot today. I ollied up that, haven't ollied up something in a while. Ollied off, haven't done anything off of things in a long time. Board slid the rail. I've barely ever been able to board slide in my life, so gonna try to get those better and then maybe learn some 50-50s. But yeah, rolling in on a bank, definitely gonna take me some time to try. Anyway, yep, good day. I just realized that I've been doing these skateboarding videos and I never actually showed you guys my board setup. So let's go ahead and show you guys this before this board gets destroyed and I have to do a whole new setup video. So yeah, let's check out my board. All right, so here's my board. I wanted to start with the grip tape just because I wanted to show you guys. I made this grip tape. This is like my skate little like brand thing. If you guys like that or want to see some Sickle Pop stuff, you can go follow Sickle Pop on Instagram. It's kind of just my place to do my like skateboard design / apparel stuff that I like. But anyway, I made that on my grip tape. That is not the point of this. My grip tape, it's mob, I painted on it, blah. Let's get to the board. Boom! This is my first Revive skateboard. It's a 775. I decided to try a little smaller just because I had an 825 and it felt pretty big, and then I was gonna go for an 8 because I skated an 8 in middle school, but I actually really like how easy this feels to flip and how comfortable it is on my feet. But my feet are pretty small. I wear like a 9.5 in shoes, so 775 fits pretty good for me at least. But yeah, so Revive, this awesome like retro cat deck. I've been doing board slides a little bit, so it's a little messy, sorry guys. The trucks that I have are Nyjah silver trucks. Boom, right there. I got these when I was in like 8th grade, and I've tried to do 50-50s a couple times, but I'm still not that good at them. I gotta relearn them since I'm starting to skate again, but yeah, these are pretty awesome. These are the like multicolored Bones wheels. I really like these wheels, but they are starting to get worn a bit because I've had these for a really long time. Like you can see how dark my Reds bearings are. They're supposed to be red, but they're almost purple. So it's almost time to swap everything out, guys, I think. So we'll have a new setup video pretty soon, I'm thinking. But yeah, other than that, this is my setup, and this board is pretty nice. I'm gonna be sad when it goes, so hopefully it lasts longer than I think it will. But skating every day does its toll, guys, so yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video.
A creature with two heads, sleeping